let's make some mirror images. So if you've downloaded this picture of my cat Tempe and put it on the desktop, we're going to open it in Photoshop. You can either click and drag the picture and put it onto the icon for Photoshop like this, or you can hold the control key. Control key is located between the function key and the option key, and then choose open with, and I'll choose open with Photoshop CC 2019. Once that's open, I'm going to make this full screen like that, and then if your workspace does not look like mine, go to Window, Workspace, and choose Photography. Once you've done that, you'll see the layers palette. So go ahead and click on the tab of the layers palette and tear it away from there. Okay, once you tear it away, you can collapse to icons. That'll give you more space like that. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is we're going to make 3 copies of this picture. We go to Layer, New, choose Layer via Copy once, Layer, New, Layer via Copy twice, and then let's use the shortcut for the third one. We'll just do Command J. Okay, that'll give you a background layer, a layer 1 copy, and then layer 1 copy 2. Alright, so select the background layer to make it active. Then we're gonna extend the canvas. So we're gonna go to Image, Canvas Size, and then select the top arrow that is on the top row, middle row. Select that, and then we're gonna change the height to 20 inches. 20 inches, and hit OK. Next, we're gonna extend the canvas to the right, and so we're gonna go back to Image, Canvas Size, and then we're going to change the width this time 20 inches, and then we're going to select this arrow that is on the middle row up on the left, and then hit OK. Now you should see, if you do Command minus, you should see you now have room to move. So we're going to use the move tool. Okay, we're going to use the move tool, that's this one, and then click on layer 1 and move it over there. Okay, then we're going to click on layer 1 copy, and we're going to move it down, and then we're going to move layer 1, then we're going to click and move, we're going to click on this layer again and then move it there. So all that remains now is to flip the pictures the right way. So which one is which is the question. So if you look over here, layer 1 copy 2 is this one. By clicking the eyeball, you can tell that that's the one. Okay, the graphical interface also shows which one it is relative to. The background layer is this one originally. See there? It's that original one. Okay, so let's select the layer 1 copy 2, and then let's flip this. So we go to Edit, Transform, Flip, Horizontal. There. Then we're going to go to layer 1 copy is this one. Layer 1 copy is this one. Okay, we're going to flip this one vertically. We're going to go to Edit, Transform, Flip, Vertical. There. Oh, no, nope, wrong one. Command Z. Select this one, layer 1 copy. Layer 1 copy, select that, and then go to Edit, Transform, Flip, Vertical. There. And then finally, this is the one that we want to flip next. You see, you click on the eyeball and you can see that's the one. Okay, this one we're going to flip 2 ways. We have to flip it vertical first, or vice versa. We're going to flip it vertical and horizontal. So let's do the vertical first. vertical there, and then we're gonna go do flip it horizontally there. Now we have a mirror image, as if there was like a line here that came down the middle. There's a mirror, and then this way too. Okay, and you're not done. The files are still in layers, so we're gonna crop them. Use the crop tool and crop off the excess white space. We're gonna crop off all the excess white right here. Then we're gonna double click in there to accept, and then we'll do layer flatten image, save as, name it Peter P, or your name, and then mirror image. Save it as a JPEG on the desktop and hit save. And now since I already saved the copy, I'll hit